after taking a trip to Sal's Feed and Seed first thing this morning, we're getting ready to plant our tomatoes that we got from the Ag and Art Tour, our Beefsteak Tomatoes. We'll show you those. And so in order to do this correctly, we're gonna get our 5-gallon buckets. We're gonna drill some holes in the buckets. You okay? All right, need to turn. Stop, Zach.
Don't do it to me.
While they're finishing up picking up our pieces from our buckets, we're going to take our Sun-Gro mix and our Black Cow. We're going to mix those in together for a good, rich soil for our beefsteak tomatoes. You okay, Lou?
Yes, sir.
No, you want to go play farm life, and yet we're out here doing farm life.
It's not fun doing.
Watch. Let me show you. We're going to dig a hole in the center, just like this. Okay? Now, I squeeze a little bit. I squeeze a little bit. And then I get real close. Real close. Real close. Down by the soil. And I just try to tug it. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna work. Hold on.
How do we do the other one?
Hold on.
You don't want to dump it.
I don't want to tear the roots.
And you don't want to tear the plant. Should we do it?
Hold on, Noah.
Hey, this is furry.
All right, I'm gonna have to help you, because don't tug on it.
Did you almost get it to that one?
Yeah, because I could feel it trying to break.
There's a worm in this one.
It's okay.
They probably are just coming in so that. Oh, it's a baby worm.